Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download artifacts on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on and have the home, issues, pull requests. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile, we have the set status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download artifacts on GitHub. So to download artifacts on GitHub repository, follow these steps. First of all, you have to navigate to your repository. So click on one here, as you can see. Then access actions. So go to actions, which is the fourth tab out of all of these top tabs here. Then select the workflow. In the left sidebar, choose the workflow you want to use. So you can search for workflows here, configure it, and do whatever you want. Then, choose the workflow run. From the list of workflow runs, click on the name of the run to view its summary. Download the artifact. In the artifact section, click on the artifact you want to download. You can also use the GitHub CLI to download artifacts, and the basic command is gh run download, then run ID, artifact, and then name. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.